So coming to AI in marketing, which is one more field of expertise
Right.
for you. So I myself observe a lot of you can say you can't describe that in words if you want to ask me. There's a world of difference between, let's say, 2021 and 2024, 2025, in the way we are using generative AI. So how do you see this trend? This is people are calling this as industry 4.0, industry revolution 4.0. So how do you see this revolution?
So I think, I mean, if you see, even Sam Altman has stated that the way India is adopting AI is crazy.
Mm,
We've adopted it at a different level altogether.
mm,
And AI in general has transformed the entire business.
yes.
It's not only marketing,
Mm,
but I come from marketing, so I understand,
mm,
right? I would say leveraging AI in general will boost efficiency to another level.
mhm.
Another level. It's not even,
Okay.
hey, if you use AI, it's gonna boost your efficiency by 10%, 20%. I
Not
would
like that.
say it's another level because I can build now a profitable company, a remote agency, which is very efficient,
Mm,
very efficient. Trust me. And I'm telling them, of course,
yes.
there's a criteria in my company. You have to be AI powered.
Right.
You have to be AI powered
Mm,
resource.
mm,
You cannot be a non AI powered. Now you need to know. We come to that. Uh, Now it gives me, as a startup, it gives me so much of benefits. Right, the cost is low.
right.
Right, the cost is much low because I can hire for attitude. I can hire for basic skills, and I
Mhm.
can train my talent on top of that.
Right.
Right, and major shift, if you see in the marketing talent, is uh, I mean, this might be a bit uh, contrary to what people think, but specialists are going to die.
Okay.
Yeah,
Interesting.
special specialist, like too much specialization
Mm,
is going to die
okay.
because AI will do that. You need to be a generalist, right?
Generalist.
Yeah, you
A
need.
jack of all.
Yeah, I would say you should be specializing in one skill,
Okay.
like really good, but you should also be good at multiple skills around that function.
Okay.
Around that function,
Mm, mm,
right? So my team, I've made them generalists,
mm. Right.
right? I my the resource should also be able to design, should also be able to write content, should be able to do appointment generation or outreach. Everything you have to understand.
Mm. Right.
Okay, you don't need to be really good at design, but you need to know AI because uh, you know um, um, once we scale,
Mm.
once we scale, and when we have a lot of clients, and there's always a short of resources and agencies. Agency has a different challenge. In general, agency faces this challenge that, hey, uh, a lot of agencies don't take clients because they don't have uh, resources,
Right.
right? We have short of resources, so everybody should be able to deliver and cater to a client to certain level,
Yes.
right? So generalist is very, very important. Now that is where I can build a much more cost efficient and a profitable company,
Yes.
right? So yeah, I mean, that's how AI is majorly changed.
Right.
Specialists are going to be irrelevant, and we need to be a generalist, leveraging all AI tools, solving business problems using AI should be a basic digital literacy now.
Mm-hmm.
And if you don't know, if you're not leveraging AI to solve problems, then of course
You're missing the bus.
it's not about missing the bus. It's
Mm-hmm.
basically you're an outdated guy. Why would I hire an outdated guy?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
Absolutely.
You're an outdated person for me, um, because now with AI I can produce much more content. I can produce 100x more content.
Yes. Of course.
Leverage it. I train it. We've
Right.
trained custom GPTs. We build custom GPTs in house for our clients. We've trained our GPTs in a way that they understand our client tone, voice, everything.
Mm-hmm.
So, and we can produce hundred of peer content quality,
Yes.
high quality. I'm not saying that it's a mediocre content, it's a mediocre work that I'll deliver. You can do high quality work 100x faster.
Yes.
Why would I hire a traditional guy?
Yeah. Yeah.
right? So it's gonna be, you'll be doomed